iPhone storage full on iOS 26.2? It's likely a system bug, not your photos. I'm Protech Genius, and here is how to delete gigabytes of ghost storage in seconds. Fix 1. The system data flush. The biggest culprit is system data cache. Go to Settings General. iPhone storage. Scroll to the bottom to see your system data. To flush it without a reset, change your system date 1 month ahead. Wait 2 minutes, then change it back to automatic. This forces iOS to purge temporary log files. If that cleared your space, subscribe to the channel. Fix 2. Offload unused apps. Don't delete apps, offload them. In iPhone storage, enable offload unused apps. This removes the app size but keeps your saved data for when you reinstall them later. Fix 3. Clear iMessage attachments. Old memes and videos in texts eat gigabytes. In iPhone storage, tap Messages. Go to Review large attachments. Delete the massive videos you've already seen. This is usually where 5 to 10 gigs of hidden waste lives. Fix 4. Safari cache purge. Safari stores every website image you've ever seen. Go to Settings Safari. Clear history and website data. Select all history and hit Clear. This instantly frees up hundreds of megabytes. Fix 5. The recently deleted trap. Deleting photos doesn't actually free up space for 30 days. Open the Photos app, go to Albums, scroll to the bottom, and tap Recently Deleted. Use Face ID to enter and hit Delete All. This is the only way to get your storage back immediately. Now that your storage is clean, you need to make your iPhone faster. Check out my secret trick to unlock hidden speed settings on iOS 26.2 right here. Hit like, subscribe, and click the video on screen now to make your iPhone 10 times faster.